Hi, first grade, and welcome back to reading. So I want to go over, do you hear the or sound and more? So say more with me, more. And then there's that or sound, or. Great job. All right. You can see red sea stars. There are animals that look like plants. So how do you think the red sea star got its name? Well, it is red and it looks like a star. So where were these pictures taken? Well, they were taken under the water. And what do the pictures show? Well, they show many interesting animals that live here. All right, you can see an octopus too. This animal has long strings that sting small animals. This helps it get its food. So how is the octopus like the animal with long strings? Well, the animal with the long strings is a jellyfish. So they are both animals and both live underwater and both have long body parts. So, what happens when the jellyfish stings another animal? The jellyfish eats it for food. All right, this small fish likes ice. It does not get too cold. It has a nest of eggs in the ice. This mom is helping her little ones swim in the cold water. So, what is in the ice? Well, fish eggs are in the ice. And let's find the words that tell us that. Well, it has a nest of eggs in the ice. So, why do you think the fish like the ice? Well, it can build its nest in the ice and it is not bothered by the cold and it feels safe in the ice. So, why do you think the mother whale is helping her little one? Well, the little one is just a baby. And so its mom is teaching it how to swim. All right, here are some more penguins. Look at them go. You hear more, or. They use their wings to swim very fast. Flap, flap, flap. Where will they go next? So, what are these penguins doing? Well, they are swimming fast. And how are the penguins different from most birds we see? Well, penguins, they use their wings to swim instead of to fly. And then what do you think the penguins will do next? Well, maybe they will go back to their nest. Here they are. This is a land of ice and much more. So, where do you think the penguins are going? Well, they are walking to go find food, maybe. So, let's look at the sentence on this last page. What word is printed in all capital letters? Is. So, why do you think the author wrote is in all capital letters? Well, the author wanted is to be said more loudly or strongly because it's important to the meaning of the sentence. And then, based on what you learned about this icy land, do you think it is near where you live? So, why or why not? Well, no, none of these animals live near me. It is not that cold here. All right, so let's think critically. How is the land different from what is under the water, and how is it the same? Well, the land is solid ice and snowy, and you have to walk, and the water is liquid, and you have to swim. So, what are some animals that live in the land of ice? Well, we know there's seals, penguins, sea stars, octopus, fish, and whales. And why do you think penguins like to live there? Well, they have feathers and fat to keep them warm, and they like to swim. So, does it look as if people could live there? Why or why not? Well, no, it's too cold. Also, I didn't see any plants, so there may not be much food. All right, so facts from the land of ice. We know underwater, seals have fur, penguins swim, there were sea stars, octopus, the fish lay eggs in the ice, whales swim, and there's icy, snowy land. All right, so vocabulary, adapt. If an animal adapts to a place, it has body parts or ways of acting that help it live there. Intriguing, if you think that something is intriguing, you are curious about it and very interested in it. Inhabit, if you inhabit a place, you live there. Okay, we have one more video to watch after this, and then we'll be done.